guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to do today is going to be a Five Below haul. I haven't done one in a while and I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, so it's going to be a little mini haul. Most of this stuff can be sublimated on, and then I think I do have one water bottle that is going to be for vinyl, I think. But for the most part, everything in here is for sublimation. I'm going to go ahead and test all these blanks out with you guys. Everything in this bag was $5. Okay. Actually, here's the receipt. Yes, everything in this bag. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Probably not. Let me turn this down. Everything on this receipt, everything in this bag is $5. Okay, so, and this is from my local Five Below. But I'm just going to quickly kind of go through what I have here. Okay, so I have two, not that one. I do have two shirts. They're kind of like long sleeve. No, this one's a short sleeve, like little crop top shirt. I got this in a size large for myself. It is 100% polyester. I'm just going to put a cute little design on the front. But Five Below always has like really cute t-shirts that you can find. Sometimes they're crop tops, sometimes they're regular shirts. But if you're just looking for a quick little $5 shirt, which you can actually get those cheaper, like if you buy them in bulk. I know when I used to sell t-shirts, I would buy them in bulk from Jiffy Shirts. It was probably like $2 or $3 a shirt, so you can get it cheaper than $5. I'm just saying, if you need something right now and you don't have time to wait for shipping, you can go to Five Below. Okay, and then this one is just a long sleeve kind of big crop top. Again, I got it in the size large. This is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I'm gonna sublimate something cute on this too. Because it's not white, I'm probably gonna go with like a black design, just because the way sublimation ink works, it adheres to the fibers of the shirt. So whatever color I try to print, it's not gonna be the true color, because that color is gonna, the color of the ink is gonna mesh with the color of this fiber, and it's gonna alter the color a little bit. Okay, in order to get a true color with sublimation ink, you have to print on white. So make sure you keep that in mind. So I'll probably just go with a black design on this shirt. I like to wear these kinds of shirts like around the house if I'm cleaning or cooking. Like those are the type of shirts I like to wear around the house. And then this is like a little hoodie. It's a white hoodie. It's like a long sleeve crop top white hoodie. I thought this was really cute, so I can wear this with some leggings. I got a size large for myself. A lot of people ask me, so do you craft just for YouTube? No, I craft for myself. I like to make stuff for myself, and then I'm gonna put it on YouTube because I might as well, right? But yeah, I got this for myself. So again, cute little design I'm gonna put on the front there. I gotta figure out what I'm doing as far as the design. Five Below always has polyester socks. I'm not gonna sub on the socks because really I just needed a new pack of socks for myself. Like white socks, to me, after you've had them for a couple months, they start to get like the little lint balls on them and they look all dingy, and I just toss them. Because I get from Five Below, I got 10 pairs of socks for $5, so I just toss them and go buy a new pack or something, or a couple new packs. But it's time to rotate out some of my socks, so I just bought a pack of white socks for myself. Not going to be subbing on these because I don't want to, but I did want to show you they have white polyester socks. They always have white polyester socks. Okay, and I thought this was a cute little water bottle. You can't sub on this, but you can put a vinyl on it. Like if you wanted to put a vinyl decal on it, that would look really cute. I may do that for this video, I'm not sure. But it's a 32 ounce stainless steel. It says it keeps your liquid cold for 12 hours, which is cool. And then last but not least, I'm trying to hurry up, my camera's about to die. I got two little notebooks here. I'm gonna sub on both. This one is a suede. This one is, it doesn't say, I don't know, but I'm gonna test them both out today. Sub on both of them to see I don't know. I gotta figure out a design. I'll probably just do black because again, these are colored, and to get a true feel on if it works or not, I'm just gonna go with black. So I'm gonna find some designs to get printed off to do on these blanks. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do a voiceover while I sub all these blanks with you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna get my designs and I will meet you guys over at my heat press. Alright guys, so the first thing I am going to do is make sure I have my butcher paper down. I'm gonna start out with this salmon or coral colored long sleeve crop top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I lint roll it really good. You don't want none of those little blue lints that pop up if you press the lint. And this is just going to be an all black image that I'm doing on this one just because I want to make sure that I get a really good amount of color. And then I did press this for 45 seconds at 400 degrees. Look how vibrant that came out. That is dark and has really good ink transfer. I put butcher paper on the top and the bottom. Now I'm just flipping that piece of butcher paper over so that I can reuse it. And I am doing the short sleeve crop top shirt. And I'm just aligning it on my press, and then I'm going to go ahead and lint roll this one as well. You want to make sure you lint roll it really good. And then I'm going to put my image face down. I'm not going to tape it, and I'm going to cover that with the same butcher paper. I just flipped it over, and it's 45 seconds at 400 degrees. Same thing. And that one also came out really vibrant. I love how that looks. Turning it down so you guys can see it. It's a cute little design. Alright, so the next thing is going to be the long sleeve crop hoodie. And I'm doing the exact same method. Butcher paper down first, lint rolling it, and then I'm going to put my image face down. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover it with butcher paper. And we're going to press it for 45 seconds at 400 degrees. And I am going to link everything down below. So if you have any questions about my butcher paper, my printer, my ink, my sublimation paper, it's all going to be in the description box. Look at the vibrancy. That is so colorful. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this notebook, you guys, it was an epic fail. But I am lint rolling it. And I'm going to use my mini press to do this. Just because I thought that the image was small, and then I do have it on the highest setting. I know it blurred up. There we go. So I have it on the highest setting, and I did do this for 45 seconds where I was going up and down like this motion that you see right here. But then you're gonna see that I checked it and it was not done. It was not cooked long enough, you know, but and then I did it again, but you will see in a second here. This was just an epic fail, honestly. When I did it this way, the ink didn't transfer. Oh, you're not even going to be able to see it. Okay. So I went back and I just started holding it there. So I held it in 3 different sections for 45 seconds, which is what you see here. But then when I did that, the paper stuck to it. So it was just a fail. Okay, it was just a fail. And then I did the other one off camera for my TikTok, and that one was a little bit better, and I'm going to talk about that right after this clip. But yeah. Hey guys, all right, so I'm back here. I did want to kind of briefly talk about these blanks. So when it comes to the 2 notebooks, I did sublimate this one off camera for my TikTok. This one came out it came out okay. It does look a little brown on the cover. I haven't really had much luck in finding good notebooks that you can sublimate on. As you can see, the paper really stuck to this one. In order to get like all the ink off of it, I had to apply, you know, pressure to get all the ink off of the paper. But then once I did that, the paper stuck to it. So journals were kind of a fail. But these shirts and this hoodie, oh my goodness. Okay, do y'all see that color? This came out super cute. turn this back up. Okay, this is the crop top hoodie. This was $5. This came out super cute. And then this is the little crop top t-shirts. This came out super cute as well, super vibrant. And then this was the crop top long sleeve shirt. And I am loving how this one came out. This looks good. Okay, this came out super cute. But yeah, so it was about 50-50 on my haul today. These definitely came out really cute. Notebooks, not so much. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.